And got the valve cover off. There's actually a couple of these bolts that are not tightening in here. You can see there's part of one of the coils, like a helicoil, and the threading is stripped in a couple of these. Let's see if you can see that. I think you can. It's totally jacked. So basically, I got a like a thread fix kit. So I'm just going to be going through tapping these. I think there's 5 that I have to do. And then I got the coils that I'll drop in there, and then should be able to actually tighten it up for real. Yeah, there's another one I'm holding it back, so I might have to use 6 of them. Yeah, it's a little bit ridiculous. The threading, somebody way over tightened these. I think they're only supposed to be 10 Newton meters. So I got to get that fixed before I can actually, and then get any of the shit that's in here out of here too. Hope the oil filter picks it up. But we'll see. All right, cool. I had to get a different kit, so something that includes this. The really cheap $10 one that I got was pretty garbage, but AutoZone's really cool about it. They took it right back. Yeah, you can see here, I basically tapped this using this bit, and then chased it just to make sure to get some of the extra stuff out of there. And then repair kits include this little tool, so you kind of just feed your coils down in there. What the inserts look like. So you just wrap it around the end of this this tool here, go into the hole, and then when you're ready, you can see there's a little piece right there, and that's called a tang. And so basically you get it flush with the top of the surface, and then you can pop this in here, and then you just literally pop it, and then that breaks the tang off at the end. And you can see I got a bunch of shit in my one there from chasing it. So just gotta do that to the other ones. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then back here 4 more to go, and then should be able to put the valve cover back on. So just doing this in the shade here. Pretty sunny day out today here in Arizona. Here's one of the bolts in the back, and this one's going fine, but you can see here's all of the shavings coming up as I'm tapping this. But see how there's kind of a piece here, and I could actually go and unbolt it, and you know, there's something that goes through it. But what I'm doing is, got a tip from the guy at AutoZone, Jacob. He said, you know, just use a crescent wrench. So that's basically what I'm doing. I just got the wrench and putting it on here real snug, and then holding that worm gear or whatever it's called, and then just, you know, give it some good turns, and I'm just gonna walk it back out and then chase it, put this last one in, and then time to put the valve cover back on, and then finally I'll be able to do that. And then I also got the replacement ignition coils, or the ignition wiring, all the engine harness. So you can see here all of the injectors are just exposed. So we got a replacement rebuilt harness from 2010, and yeah, it should be going together real nice. The helicoils I got were working really good, but ran into a problem here where the bolt snapped. I guess it bit in really good actually. So the other ones tightened up no problem, but this sucks because now I'm gonna have to take it all off and get back down here and then extract that bolt. So just a simple valve cover gasket job can be a real pain in the ass when people don't take care of it right, and they're over torquing it. I don't know where they had this done. Okay, here's the bolt that broke off. Just going for the full flavor experience here. Got the thread extractor in here, and just going to try working it by hand and just using a crescent wrench to turn it. I just drilled just a little tiny hole there with the drill bit. Got it through part of the fastener enough so it's biting. So we'll see if this gets it out. And the rest of the helicoils look okay. I got new fasteners, so these should be good. I might have to cut them a little bit to get them the exact size, but all right, let's see how it goes. I was working this, and of course the screw extractor breaks. So that was just awesome. Just to make this even more stupid, the battery on my drill is basically dead. So I'm trying to drill out what's left of this. That's it. No more juice. So I plugged in, you know, and then this, I think this is just a wood bit, and it's definitely not going through. So I'm just gonna put this back together, go get a metal bit, come back, give it another go, buy another screw extractor. I just got a cobalt bit, and the damn thing broke off as I'm going through to try to drill out what's left of the screw and the screw extractor. So I mean, this thing is just gnarly. I don't even know what to do anymore, you know? I mean, I can get a blowtorch on it. You can see the very center of it where there's still the screw extractor bit. Yeah, at this point I'm just gonna go inside and eat some ice cream and just pass out for a bit. I'm just really fucking sick of this.